Hi guys, welcome to Grammar Bytes.
Today we're going to have some fun with a commonly tested synthesis question called No Sooner Had Than. Alright, let's talk about No Sooner Had Than. For this phrase, we need to first understand what it means. This phrase basically means as soon as incident A happened, then incident B happened immediately after. So how do we use this phrase? Easy. First we start with no sooner. Then we use had followed by the past participle of the verb with the first action. Finally we add then and complete the sentence with the second action. So in summary, we need to focus on three main things. 1. Had plus the past participle. 2. We need to use then, THAN. And 3. We need to use the sentence in a logical sequence. Okay, so let's start with point number 1. Had plus the past participle. Now this is the part most of you get wrong. The very first thing the teacher marking your synthesis worksheet will check is this. For example, check out this question. Jack ate the chili padi. He spit it out. Now, how would you answer this question? Seems pretty easy, right? A lot of you might answer it wrongly by saying, no sooner had Jack ate the chili padi, then he spit it out. Spot the mistake. Yes, you got it. Point 1. Had must be followed by the past participle. The correct answer should be, no sooner had Jack eaten the chili padi, then he spit it out. Now how about point number 2? Then. We use then to compare the two actions. This is another common mistake you guys tend to make. No sooner had Jack eaten the chili padi when he spit it out, it's wrong. No sooner had Jack eaten the chili padi, then he spit it out with an E is wrong too. No sooner had Jack eaten the chili padi, comma, he spit it out. Guess what? It's also wrong. The only correct connector to use between the two actions is, you guessed it, then. It is used to connect or show the contrast between the two separate actions. And lastly, we come to the third point. Must be used in the correct logical sequence. This means the actions should make sense in that order. You can't say, no sooner had Jack spit out the chili padi, then he had eaten it. Doesn't make sense. He hasn't even touched the chili. Right. Now it's your turn. Your challenge is to create your own hilarious sentence using no sooner had than and share it in the comments below. Right? Let's see who can come up with the funniest one. Remember, learning grammar can be a blast and we can make it fun. So keep laughing and keep learning. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.